Okay, students, time for read aloud. Today we are going to read a book, Diary of a Fly, written by Doreen Cronin. Can you see a fly sitting on a pencil? So let's see what she or he is writing in his diary. Diary of a Fly. June 7, the very first day of the school. Tomorrow is the first day of school. I'm so nervous. What if I'm the only one who eats regretted food? June 8. Great news. Everyone eats regretted food. 10 June. Things they teach you in the flight class. We are the most accomplished flyers on the planet. Our average speed is 4.5 mph. Leap backward when taking off. Now you can see they are flying, making a plane. Things they should teach you in the flight class: always have a flight plan. How you have to fly. My parents left us with the babysitter last night. When they got home, 87 of us were stuck on a stripe of fly paper. Mom says we were a lot easier to watch before we grew heads. Fly paper. Today we practice landing on moving targets. I'm standing on her head right now. June 15, my school picture came out terrible. School picture. Mom says next time I better have all my eyes looking in the same direction. June 17, my first science assignment is to use my five senses to observe something creepy. I choose a first grader. Disgusting. My five senses observation by fly. See will not fit in jar. Feel sticky. Smell not so good. Hear annoying slurping sound. Taste not so bad. June 18. Worm and spider came over today. We used a magnifying glass to take a really good look at ourselves. Magnifying glasses. July 2. I'm making an all about me book for my mom. See, you can see the all about me book. June 13, I asked my mom why I can't have my own room like mom. My mother said, because you have 327 brothers and sisters. That's why. That is a big quantity. I told her we could put half of them in the garage to save space. Garage. I'm having a time out in the garage right now. And he himself in the garage. July 14. Spider's grandfather is so smart. He taught me flies were a very important part of food chain. Very cool. You are very important. July 15. Worm sat me down and explained the food chain. That is not too call. July 16. The babysitter came back last night. She brought a frog. Oh. When mom and dad got home, we were all exactly where we were when they left, sitting on an apple. Why I would make a good superhero? I have the most powerful flight muscles on the planet. Hmm. I can land upside down. I can see in all the directions at once. I see you, spider. Hmm. Spider said superheroes bend steel with their bare hands. You eat horse manure with your feet. I never thought about in that way. July 22. Today I have learned that flies beat their wings 200 times per second. 200 times. No wonder I keep falling asleep in math. July 23. I visited my aunt Rita today. She's been trapped on the wrong side of a screen for a week. Trapped. My word. Now you have grown, dear. August 1. I just know I would make an excellent superhero. I have 4,000 lenses in my each eye. 4,000 lenses. Can you believe? I can walk on the walls. I can change directions in flight faster than the blink of a human eye. Spider said superheroes save the world from outer space villains. Your brain is the size of a sesame seed. I never thought about it that way. August 2. Today I told Worm and Spider that I could never be a superhero like I wanted. Worm looked at me right in the eyes and said, "The world needs all kinds of heroes." Spider said, "I never thought about it that way." Neither did I. So that is the diary of a fly, what it's having in his mind, what kind of things they are doing, and what they want to become. I hope you all enjoy the story. Thank you.